What's going on, Fitbies? Today we're going to be making the famous Kardashian salad. This recipe will call for olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt and pepper, chickpeas, Dijon mustard, mozzarella cheese, salami, and lettuce. We're first going to make our salad dressing, so we're going to do a tablespoon of our olive oil, a tablespoon of the red vinegar, a tablespoon of the Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper. Then we'll mix. After that, we're going to put that to the side and we're going to chop up our lettuce. Next, we're going to chop up our salami, and I'm just doing bite-sized pieces. And then be sure to drain and rinse your chickpeas. We're going to add that on top of our lettuce. And then we're going to add our mozzarella cheese and our dressing. And voila, this is the famous Kardashian salad. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, peace.